So this is rose washi tape. It says romantic and modern, or so goes the saying. Unwrap this beautifully crafted Japanese washi tape to discover the beauty within. And it's just little roses. That's what it looks like against a white background. This is the Heart Mini Mint paper clip. And the description says, don't lose any papers by keeping your files together with this lovely heart paper clip. Beyond appearance, this nicely machine crafted clip is made of sturdy materials for you to reliably keep all your notes together. And it's really cute. And there's little rabbits on the side. These are little illustrated papers, but technically it says illustrated Ibetsuzen. See, I'm very bad at pronouncing things, but it's basically memo cards. So it says, with their unique and beautiful design, these are perfect for messages. Make someone happy by writing them a personal note on these lovely memo cards. So it's a type of letter writing pad in Japan, apparently. So on one side it looks like this, and then you flip it over and it gives you a completely different side. And then this one looks like this, but then you flip it over and it looks like that. They're all just so pretty. Like this one. It's pretty. There's a little bunny, and then you flip it over and it's this. These are all from Zenpop. Now, I'm obviously not sponsored because I'm not cool and I don't have 20 million subscribers. But my fiance's brother got me I think 6 subscriptions from Christmas, and I would say they are definitely worth the present. Like they're worth the price, and I think that if you have someone who likes stationery, it would be a great present idea. Okay, this is the Sumiko garashi. I hope I said that at least somewhat decently, but it's just a memo pad. It looks like this, and then you keep going, and then it changes to this, and then you keep going, and it changes to this. They're so cute. Oh, and it changes one more time. I wasn't prepared for that. I love this. It just looks so pretty. The cover does it at least. It's like shiny, and there's gold, and it looks cute. I think you can see now. But I like the gold and the pastel colors. This is a flower vase fusion. It says this beautifully made and slightly translucent fusion sticky note is the perfect accessory for when you need to make a note in the corner of your book and add comments to your work. So if it's slightly translucent, that should be interesting. Okay, I need you to see what it meant by semi-translucent. Honestly, like, if you don't like writing in your Bible and you don't like sticky notes because they cover over what you're reading, I could see these being really good for you, because look, I can see the house of the Lord, and then it says, and made a covenant before the Lord to walk, and then to keep his commandments and his testimonies and then words of the covenant. I'm assuming that's what that word means. So, yeah, honestly, if you don't like adding sticky notes because you can't see them and you don't like writing in your Bible, this would be a really good alternative. Now these I was really excited for because they look so adorable. They're rabbit envelopes, so it says send a loved one some affection in this super cute rabbit mini envelope. They are traditionally given Puchabaroko are traditionally used to give gifts of money to kids on holidays or birthdays. They are just little rabbit envelopes. They're so cute. This is a clear file. Basically, I think you could put these papers. Sorry, I think you could put these little papers from the notepad in here. And last but not least, because they're so pretty, there are 2 sets of stickers. I love this one. But yeah, it's really cute. Like I said, I obviously am not sponsored because I'm not cool enough. But you get a different stationery pack each month, and I have 6, and I think I've had 4 or 5 so far, so I think I'm running out soon. But you get a lot of items, like a lot. And it's a very good idea if you know someone who loves stationery and you're looking for a Christmas or a birthday present. But it's really cute, and you get a lot of cute things. But I hope that was entertaining. I normally say I hope it was interesting. No, I don't. I lied. I normally say I hope it was informational and helpful, blah, 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 blah. But this isn't really an informational video, so I hope it was fun to you.